the legendary, the epic flip coat scrunch technique. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are testing out the amazing flip coat scrunch technique originally created by the amazing Miss Atoya Bass. She is a hairstylist specializing in curly hair. She's been doing this forever and she is the queen of simplicity. And because she is so good at simple, she has created a very effective styling technique that works well for wavy hair all the way to coily hair. She uses this technique on all of her clients, and I gotta say, it looks Buddha-miss every time I see it. So I thought for funsies, we would try it today and see how it goes. Now, you may be hearing me huff and puff a bit. I am very pregnant and I can't even get up high enough to show you, but I cannot hang upside down and wash my hair like I normally do. Normally I just hang over my bathtub. It's the most convenient for me, but I can't necessarily do that right now. I can't spend 20 minutes hanging upside down. I used to could, and now I can't. The intriguing thing about flip coat scrunch to me is that you shampoo and condition right side up, and then you flip upside down, you flip, you coat, and you scrunch. And it's a very fast application technique. Why style upside down? Well, for me, I do find that I personally get better curl enhancement all the way to the root when I style upside down. I also get better root volume. So this technique is intriguing to me since I can't hang upside down for long periods of time. I thought it would be fun to try now. Also, to make sure I do this right, I thought it would be fun if we watched her video together first and then we did it together. Then y'all can double check that I'm following this correctly. All right, are y'all ready?
Yes. Okay, so turned off my water. This is me in the shower.
Okay.
Can you hand me some gel?
Flip.
Yeah.
Kind of shaking everything loose.
Taking some.
Coat. You can totally hear that she's in her salon right now. I kind of love that she has those big absorbent mats. Because she's doing this on all of her clients. That seems really smart. Coat. Okay, she kind of flipped everything to the side. Got some more gel. She's coating some more. More coating. Flip. More gel. And I happen to know that she really enjoys the Diva Curl gels. I think she's using Archangel right now. So I'll be using a really hard hold. Okay, and she's scrunching. She grabbed a little more gel and is scrunching some more. This looks like my kind of routine. I love a routine with plenty of gel. She also has very, very long hair, so I will be taking that into consideration. I won't necessarily be grabbing the same amount of gel that she grabbed because she has more hair than I do. Now she's gently kind of wringing out all the excess. She did kind of a scrunching, pulsing technique, and now she's doing a firm scrunch, and I see a lot of water dripping out in between her fingers. That's kind of setting and activating all of her waves and curls. Microfiber towel right there. And kind of a scrunch blot situation. Can we call that a scrunch blot? I'm gonna call that a scrunch blot.
More like this.
Actually, that's a terrible name. I take that all back. She's doing a micro plot. Wow, look at how long and beautiful her hair is. That's just amazing. Now the video was roughly 2 minutes long, but she wasn't even upside down for 2 whole minutes.
Out of the shower. Okay, that's good.
All right, that looks pretty awesome. All right, that looked pretty simple and straightforward. So I will be using a pretty simple, straightforward line. I have used all of these products before, so I know how they perform on my hair. I'm very excited to see how this technique works. I'm gonna wash and condition my hair, and then I'll be back to slowly go through the application technique, which theoretically takes 2 minutes. Here we go. All right, now you could see that I did, let's move you down just a little bit so that when I flip over, you can see all the things. I did a trickle rinse, which means I didn't like really rinse all the conditioner out. I think I rinsed out about 70% of the conditioner in my hair, but I left a good chunk of it in. I did let it kind of hit my roots to make sure that there's not just a ton of conditioner in my roots, but there's lots of conditioner-y goodness in the lengths of my hair. And because Archangel gel is kind of a harder hold gel, I did grab the in-shower style fixer from Curlsmith. I'm a little nervous. Okay, I don't know why I'm fiddling. Why am I fiddling? I want to make sure when I flip, it flips. Okay, here we go. We're going to flip. Can you see things? Am I still here? Do I need to lower the camera? Maybe y'all should come down just a little bit more. Okay. She kind of shook her roots, I guess, to get everything unstuck. I guess that's good. Then she grabbed like 2 pumps of gel. So I'm grabbing a decent glob here of the in-shower style fixer. And I'm just gonna coat. And then she coats the underneath. Coat, coat. There's still some gel on my hands, so I'm gonna coat. She kind of flipped the other way. Coat, coat. I think I'm gonna grab more when I go to scrunch. Now for me, I don't usually trickle rinse. I go ahead and rinse all my rinse out conditioner out, and then I put back in a leave-in conditioner, which I get asked a lot if leave-in conditioner, like if you need two separate conditioners. I like using two, but clearly Atoya does not, and her technique obviously works. So there you go. I also really like spending a lot of time organizing my curl clumps. Like I like to brush through my hair, get my hair to part. Maybe I'm doing too much work. Maybe I'm trying too hard. Because Atoya's hair is stunning. And all of her clients' hair is stunning. I can't believe I've taken this long to try out this technique. Okay. She really does use a ton of gel. This is more gel than I normally use. I'm scared. Okay. Everything kind of feels like it's got the right amount. Let's see. And really, this bending over isn't too bad. I think I'm taking longer than 2 minutes, but you know what? I'm gonna get just a little bit more for the front, like a pea sized amount there. There we go. Okay, that's good. All right, and then she kind of does a big scrunch. Big scrunch. I might be over scrunching. I don't know. Did she flip over on the other side and do a big scrunch? I don't remember. Wow, how have I already forgotten? I just watched the video. Okay, I do remember that next, she grabs a microfiber towel. I don't have one just like hers, but I do have a towel, so we're gonna use it. It's a microfiber towel. She scrunched and scrunched and scrunched. Well, let me see if I can find a dry spot on the towel. I don't know if that's right. Maybe she uses like the damp part of the towel to scrunch her hair the whole time. I'm not sure. I'm trying. Okay, there we go. Scooch you back up. All right, guys. Y'all can see it. How does it look? I will diffuse my hair and come back to show y'all the final results and share my thoughts, first impressions on Flip Coat Scrunch. Alrighty, I did diffuse my hair to the 90% dry mark, wandered around my house while it finished air drying. I tried really hard not to touch my hair too much while it was drying. I did kind of flip it though from side to side so that this section would go ahead and dry. My hair is fully dry now. Let me show you what it's looking like before I scrunch out the crunch. Gel, especially that in-shower style fixer that I used, makes my hair look a little bit crunchy. So it will need a good scrunch and fluff. And I didn't notice Atoya having, I'm sure if I had looked more on her Instagram page, I would have been able to find like a diffusing techniques video, so I could have like followed her diffusing routine as well. But for today, all we did is follow her styling technique, and I kind of kept my diffusing routine the same. You know, diffuse to 90% dry, let it finish air drying, and then scrunch out the crunch, that kind of thing. Alrighty, let's get everything fluffed. There we go. If you close one eye while you're fluffing, that's key. That really helps. In case you were wondering. All right, there we go. Here are the results with it scrunched out and fluffed. Let me know in the comments down below what y'all think. How does the flip coat scrunch compare to my normal styling routine with the in-shower style fixer? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to check out the links in the description because I will have all of Atoya's info down there. You won't be sorry if you go follow her. I will also have the original flip coat scrunch video linked there so that y'all can reference it in case you need a refresher. And as always, I hope y'all are having an absolutely fantastic day. Whew, can't breathe. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.